You need to hear this if you're a fan of potato chips. They were invented by accident and the story is deliciously funny. Let's take a tasty trip back to 1853 at Moon's Lake House in Saratoga Springs, New York. Meet George Crumb, a chef with a flair for the dramatic. One day, George faced a super picky customer who kept sending back his fried potatoes, grumbling they were too thick and soggy. Frustrated, George decided to get even. He sliced the potatoes paper thin, fried them to a crisp and drowned them in salt. Guess what? The customer loved them. George's revenge turned into a hit, and Saratoga chips became a menu favorite. Word spread like wildfire, and soon enough, America had a new favorite snack. By the early 20th century, potato chips were being mass-produced and packaged, transforming from a local delicacy into a worldwide sensation. So next time you munch on a chip, remember? Sometimes the best things come from a little frustration. Crunch on.